Ndị Igbo ekelekwa m unu. Ọ ga-amasị m iwere olu Igbo wee mee ihe onyonyo a, mana e nwere ụfọdụ ihe onyonyo m ga-etinyegasị n'ime ya nke a ga-eji olu bekee wee kwuo. Ọkwa otu ọkwa ahụ m na-ama, otu mkpu ahụ m na-eti, otu ihe ahụ m na-ekwu na-asị Igbo ka anyị chebara n'onwe anyị echiche. Na 2022 ka e nyere m ọhụhụ ụzọ pụrụ iche na a ga-ebu ndị Igbo agha ruo otu ụwa niile. Nke unu makwara na a na-ebukwa ha agha already. The agha is still ongoing, mana na ọ ga-adị intensify karịsịa malite na Lagos, n'ihi na Peter Obi pụtara ka ọdọ ọchịchị na ọ ga-cause is very big problem for ndị Igbo. Wee chọpụta na ezigbo nsogbu dị, ma jụọ kedu ihe a ga-eme. Asị onye Igbo ọbụla kwadobe idozi ala Igbo, na onye Igbo ọbụla nwere ala n'obodo ọbụla ị nọ na outside, make sure na ị nwere enough land n'ala Igbo. Business ọbụla, company ọbụla ị rụrụ n'ala ndị ọzọ, make sure na ị nwere a replica, ma ọ na function well, ma ọ na-enyetara gị ego, ma ọ naghị enweta ego. Do it that na anyị ọwụ na Okeke eme, Okafọ eme, Okonkwo eme, Okoronkwo, anyị chachịkọta aka ọnụ mee ya, tinye that business ahụ, ọ ga-aga. Mgbe oge ruo, otu anyị si develop Lagos, develop Kano, Kaduna, Abuja, the same way ka ala Igbo ga-eji wee mepee. Mana ọ na-ewute m na ụfọdụ ndị si ha bụ ndị Igbo anaghị iji ntị anụ ihe ha m na-ekwu. Ha si na ọwa na m na-play tribal game. Ọ dị very wrong. Don't play tribal game. Baba. Mmadụ na-ekwu ihe ọ na-edo ha anya. I play goro m unu vidio Tunde Bakari si na akpọrọ ya meeting na ndị Igbo na ọha ọnwa ala niile na a ga-eme kishọ na edili wide tupu ha ya jụwa ha so ọkwa unu resịrị unu ahụgo the video agbaghị replay were ya. Mana enwere video m ga-play unu ugbu a that you need really to know. Ngwa, get time, listen to this. Get ya ntị.
In Yoruba land, if we sell land to you, especially in Lagos State, and issue you a C.O. certificate of occupancy, we can collect that land back from you anytime we want, irrespective of how much you paid. That was said by the Deputy Governor of Lagos State in company with MC Olomo at an event. Yes. And when I saw that...
that in Yoruba land, in Lagos, especially, mark that word, in parentheses, especially in Lagos, if we sell land to you, we will issue you C.O., which means certificate of occupancy. It isn't certificate of ownership. Although now get in Ogun State, although in Ibadan, although another state of any other Yoruba, but especially in Lagos, now C.O. is not C of ownership. Why Lagos? Because ndị Igbo developụchara ha Lagos, etirezi iwu ahụ na Lagos. Onye kwuru ihe a bụ deputy governor na MC Olomo. Ka anyị na-agafa.
Saying that publication, I ran to Nigerian Constitution to read about land and land ownership in Nigeria, and this is what it said. It said Nigerians can buy land anywhere in Nigeria and get a certificate of occupancy, that's C.O., and they legally owns the land. Yes, since they have a certificate of ownership.
Now, onye na-enye reporter na-asị ya ga check here na constitution na ịzụ ala ahụ bụ nke gị legally. Now you have the right to own that land for 100 years. Ama mmadụ ole ga-live up to 100 years. But ndị Yoruba na Lagos only say that they can take the land from you any day, anytime. unu hụrụ recently na agara ga gba building nwanne Peter Obi ọkụ election eruwego mgbe a gbara that building ọkụ my friend si na nwe ihe dịka mmegbu ya na egbugbu ndị Igbo si na ihe ahụ abụghị gọọmenti but ojeghị a court of competent jurisdiction according to them issued to go and demolish that property but with unknown name onwe onye tiri aha na-ajụ that certificate eji wee ga demolish ya akwa court ọwụ gọọmenti nwee yet my friend is na onwe ha na-emegbu ndị Igbo ụkwụ onye Igbo couldn't say aka gọọmenti anọ na that thing. Okay, ọwụ na aka gọọmenti anọ ya kedu ihe gọọmenti mere to fight for the less onye emebiri ihe because the government is known to fight for you when you have problem to protect life and property. Kedu ihe ha mere to recover that land for that man? Ajọ tụtụrụ ala company mmadụ demolish ya n'ihe gịnị ọwụ onye Igbo n'ihe gịnị nwanne Peter Obi but onye Igbo si na nwe ihe dịka gọọmenti aka gọọmenti anọ ya onye Igbo na-ekwu ihe ndị a ebere m na-emere gị ekpere mbụ na ọ ga-ebilu gị aka gị edoga anyị na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka ka anyị na-ege ntị.
A CFO issued to them by the state governments or the governments for that particular piece of land they have paid for. That the law states that you own that land for a specific period of 99 years. That's almost like 100 years.
You own the land 99 years when you buy it.
The highest form of land title in Nigeria and provide legal ownership rights. That was what was said in our constitution. But Lagos State has said, no, we can sell land to you in the morning and recall it back in the evening. And
the Lagos State say, we can sell land to you in the morning and recall it back in the evening. And without giving you back your money. Ndị Igbo, shine your eyes.
Still take your money. What kind of robbery is that? So why I want to say this is this. It's not the first time it's happening in Lagos. This has been happening. That's what they do in Lagos State. This
is not the first thing that has been happening. It has been happening. Get it, this instance on it, you know.
Yes. You buy land in Lagos and get it by who you know, by spending more money. And after years, they will still get it for you. If you don't know what, the one that transpired lately, in Ijora, Rivers State government owns a property in Ijora, Lagos State. Last year, that land was collected from Rivers State government. And you will not hear it in the news by Lagos State government. It was a very big property. It was collected from them. So what I'm saying now, and we'll come out to claim we are one Nigerian. And I cannot move from one state to another state and buy land and own it. Yes. So why don't we divide this country instead of deceiving ourselves?
No.
Then when you want to leave your own country and go to Lagos or Yoruba land to buy land, you already know that these people will sell land to you and still collect it back from you with your money and nothing will happen. Then it's your decision to buy, to go to Lagos and buy. And another thing, for those who are still buying land in Lagos, for them to know that for the fact that you paid for land in Lagos State and they gave you CFO, does not make you the owner of that land.
Simple. All them you're going to know. Oh, usually he came in the River State. Nahana Aquara land the River State. Somebody might be asking, or when you came in here, is it not River State? But we shut up. If you mind. Oru ha mgbe enwere nsogbu. Actually, it segregate River State Wundi Igbo as far as they are concerned. But in some certain issue, how when the River State don't know Wundi Igbo. Only River State commit anything, ndị Yoruba chụwa ndị Igbo protected now our brother. Only Igbo commit here, ndị River State as abi Niger Delta that follow the Igbo people. Now, here I am River State, they treated them based on how ndị Igbo. So the River State has how ndị Igbo, how me one way they will maltreat it the way they are maltreating ndị Igbo. But the represent the River State Igbo say we are not brother. Kena Chikowa recently Charlie Boy now let me deko kagini ka kpọrọ ya bus stop ama kamgbe egede not Charlie Boy bus stop ka na achọzi change now ka ọ wụrụ onye Yoruba with the bus stop. Kedu ihe a pụtara? Ahụrụ m video very dark man mere so na ama ha na ihe a bụ simple division because of the election. Can the Igbo turn against Yoruba? Yoruba turn against the Igbo. That is the truth. A revelation can very dark man. That is the normal thing. Man, the truth of the matter, Igbo, is a way to dislodge the Igbo out of Lagos. Not carry alaha. Amagidere mo kwa here. Una achọghị nụ. Kedu solution? We have known the problem. Idumota, we need Idumota na Enugu. Electronic market, we need it in Abia State. Computer market, we need it in Imo State, a replica. Motor pass market, we need it in Anambra. I'm giving us an instance. All these our 5 states. Then we also need in Anioma. Anioma is part of Alibo, which I believe majority of them equally around Igbo. We also need another market in Alibo. Let all this market be duplicated in Alibo. Nkucha aburokwa n'ọjọ. Ọkwa nsọsọ osisi nọ na ga-egbe ya akwụrụ. Ihe anyị na-eme maka ndị ahụ aghazu there is a limit to what you can do na ala abụghị nke gị. They will use government to first of all dislodge you. Napagala. Demolish you, demolish P2B. Let me P2B in the society. How demolish the they only make noise, but the building is already down. Highest, maybe you can start rebuilding that place. That company is collapsed. Do you know the worst thing? Many people are still buying land in Bundibo in Lagos till today. Many of you who has approached me with your property, watch, I'm skeptical. Is irregular and a property. You watch, I'm a little bit skeptical because because of this revelation, I lost my land in Gorona, Lagos through an agent. This in the real estate. I lost millions. They couldn't refund me all my money. They took about 40% of that amount of money in Corona, that land. Millions of money. I lost it. But that's it. Come lose way for the sake of Kambarandi, the Bayama, Habitawa Alibo. Manani Quio for an unfair fananti. Mana, I say, I pray that one day you will realize the truth. Because the Shiketo Sayo on your call local, Kaibido develop one a label. Dicky Nachi do one boy again, where that Nagaga strong, I can give with a shop and Idumotan Keran a label. Let it be so. It's a campaign. That is another video game. I can no analysis and detail. You feel about that the program. That is in Ghana. When you went to know, you know him also neko. Kemesiano. Akambika. Okochuku Jovika. Onye chopatara Igbo rolo. Kemesiano.
Jovika TV, poised to reach you with the truth.